Welcome to Jaya's Gujarati kitchen. It's time to make dhokra. In a bowl, mix the yogurt and the water together. And then add the ginger, garlic, chili, turmeric, salt, sugar and the citric acid. Stir in the semolina and add the baking powder. Mix well and leave to rest whilst we make the vagar. For the vagar, heat the oil in a small pot and add the cumin seeds, mustard seeds, sesame seeds and some curry leaves, a pinch of hing, and the vagar is ready. Now prepare your steaming device. Grease a sani with oil. And once the water in your steaming device is boiling, go back to the dhokra mixture and add the eno, oil and hot water. Put the batter in the sani, sprinkle a few sesame seeds and steam for 45 minutes. When the dhokra is ready, carefully remove it from the steaming device. Spread the vagar on top. Some chopped coriander, and the dhokra is ready. Enjoy!